Your vehicle's engine is a complex piece of machinery that takes discipline, time, and determination to really understand and know how to work with it. But today, we're taking a look outside the engine and focusing on the exterior of your car. Join us at Toyota of North Charlotte for this new episode of becoming an auto service expert on the basics of collision and auto body work. Between fender benders, scratches, broken windshields, damaged body panels, and a plethora of other things, there's always plenty of auto body work to be done. Auto body work can be best described as a variety of services aimed to repair damages done to the exterior of your vehicle, with the goal of restoring your car to original factory condition. Most auto body shops can provide customization options for your vehicle as well. Dents and scratches are probably the most common forms of vehicle body damage, and they're the easiest to fix. These repairs usually entail a good deal of sanding and then touch-up painting. Windshield repair is another common type of auto body work. Depending on the severity of the crack or ding, an auto body shop expert can either fill in the ding or crack, or your windshield may require a full replacement. Make sure to check your view for any blemishes obscuring it and have them repaired immediately. In some cases, auto body repair work can become more severe depending on the accident a vehicle has been in. Body shop experts may have to do extensive repairs involving reshaping, replacing, and remolding parts of your vehicle's body to restore them to original factory shape. If you're looking to repaint your ride, add body kits and spoilers, or add new accents to your paint, our collision experts at Toyota of North Charlotte can help you out. If you need help with any of your auto body repairs, visit Toyota of North Charlotte at 13429 Statesville Road today.